Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding and most attractive collection of crochet flower designs pattern ideas. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. For beautiful and creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection, most attractive and most amazing collection in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. Crochet is always beautiful, trendy and stylish also, so I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. So dear friends, most attractive collection in front of you. Dear friends, you can put this amazing and stylish crochet flower on your crochet baby frocks and crochet sandals, crochet bands, necklace, earrings, cushion covers, and many more things also. You can visit my channel and you can see different stylish crochet material like crochet baby frock designs, baby romper designs, baby shoes designs, baby cap designs, woman cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, and in jewelry, crochet woman necklace designs, earring designs, bracelet designs, and feet jewelry like woman anklet designs, baby anklet designs, and many more things. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon.